Okay, this is the new cycle of our Arush Urban Terrain 26-inch aluminum cycle, MTB mountain cycle. This is the gift from his Chitana Arush. This is the first time Arush is getting the new cycle. Till now he was using second hand cycle. Okay, Arush, Nihal, help to Arush. Okay, he is unboxing the cycle. Now his brother is going to help him. Hey, it will be in the joint. It will be in joint. You should lift everything together. Yes. Yeah. This is the cycle. Okay. Now check what all the tools are there. And this is the tool kit. Nihal, you should remove the tracks, everything. Okay. Carefully, Nihal, it will get damaged. Painting will get scratched, so you remove carefully. There is 21 gates. The total weight of the cycle is 13.5 kgs. Arush is in